The Tesla Model 3 uses an active grille shutter system, or AGS, featuring motorized louvers behind the front grille. These louvers regulate airflow to cool the battery, motor, and electronics, optimizing both temperature and aerodynamic efficiency. The first step is determining if the issue is software-related or a hardware malfunction. Common symptoms include overheating warnings, reduced range, or visible louver misalignment. Use the Tesla app for diagnostic scans. Software glitches are often resolved with over-the-air updates. If the louvers are physically stuck or the actuator motor is making unusual noises, it's likely a hardware problem. Tesla frequently releases software updates that address active grille shutter issues. First, ensure your Model 3 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as updates require internet access. Navigate to the Software section in your vehicle's touchscreen settings. This is typically found under Controls or the main menu. Look for any available updates that mention grille or cooling system improvements. Install any available software updates. These updates can recalibrate the active grille shutters and resolve many software-related malfunctions. According to Tesla owner forums, versions 12.3 and later have significantly improved louver responsiveness in various conditions. The installation process may take several minutes and requires the vehicle to be parked. After installation, verify that the update completed successfully by checking the software version in the Settings menu. If your Model 3 is already running the latest software and the grille shutter issues persist, proceed to hardware troubleshooting in the next section. Begin by safely inspecting the grille area for any obstructions that could be jamming the louvers, such as leaves, debris, or ice. Clean the area thoroughly using a soft brush or compressed air to remove any buildup. Manually try to move the louvers gently to test for proper operation. If the louvers are completely stuck or excessively stiff, this indicates the actuator motor may be faulty and require professional attention. Remember to exercise caution when working near the front of the vehicle, ensuring it is turned off and safely parked. Replacing the actuator is possible for experienced DIYers with basic mechanical skills. The actuator assembly typically costs between $200 and $500 if purchased out of pocket. You'll need basic tools, including a socket set and trim removal tools, to safely access the grille components. Safety first. Always disconnect the 12-volt battery before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. Carefully remove the front fascia using the trim removal tools to access the grille shutter mechanism. Once the fascia is removed, locate and disconnect the old actuator assembly from its electrical and mechanical connections. Install the new actuator by connecting it securely to the same electrical and mechanical points as the old one. Reassemble all components, including the front fascia, ensuring everything is properly secured. Finally, reconnect the 12-volt battery and test the system to ensure proper operation. Detailed online guides and video tutorials are available from Tesla forums and automotive websites to help with the replacement process. If your Model 3 is under warranty, contact Tesla service for a free repair. Even if it's not under warranty, consider professional service for complex issues or if you're uncomfortable with DIY repairs. Tesla service centers have specialized diagnostic tools and can ensure proper installation. Trying to fix it yourself might void other parts of the warranty. Regularly cleaning the grille area is essential to prevent debris buildup that could obstruct the active grille shutters. Leaves, dirt, or insects can jam the louvers, causing them to malfunction over time. Keeping your Tesla software current is crucial for optimal active grille shutter performance. Over-the-air updates often include calibrations that improve louver responsiveness and fix known issues. Consider investing in a Tesla service plan that includes proactive maintenance. According to a 2026 J.D. Power study, Model 3 owners with active service plans experience 65% fewer cooling problems. Stay informed by monitoring Tesla owner forums and communities. These platforms often provide early warnings about emerging issues and user-tested solutions for active grille shutter problems. Tesla is developing AI-driven predictive maintenance to anticipate louver issues before they occur, providing proactive alerts to owners through the app. Future Model 3 updates may include self-healing mechanisms, such as louvers that automatically recalibrate themselves to prevent failures. Tesla is also exploring more durable materials for actuators to reduce wear and tear, aiming to improve long-term reliability of the system. These enhancements are designed to significantly reduce failures and enhance the overall performance of the active grille shutter system. Stay tuned for updates and improvements in the future.